Hello bag making buddies. Today I'm showing you something really cool, which is how to add a vinyl overlay over your zippers. I'm also going to give you a free Cricut file for this, and I'll show you how to cut it out using your Cricut in 2 minutes. Let's begin. For this tutorial you would need your magical Cricut maker machine, vinyl or cork, whatever you want to work with to make the overlay, and your standard grip mat, which is the green one. And you would also need your panel on which you would like your zipper to be installed, a zipper, and of course your sewing machine. Now there are 3 different files available for this tutorial. So first is the PDF file. If you don't have a Cricut, you would use the PDF one over here. But if you have a Cricut, you can go for either of the two. So one is with a 4-inch wide rectangle and the other one is with a 5-inch wide rectangle. So just download whichever you want by just right clicking your mouse and clicking on download, and then just upload this file on Design Space. So go to Design Space and then click on New Project and then click on Upload and then upload the image. I already have it over here, and there you go. So it's in the correct size in which I saved it, 7 by 1.5 inch. Now I just need to cut it out. But if you want to cut out several together, so first you can just rotate it to 90 degrees and then just duplicate this and arrange it on the mat. So that you can cut out several at a time, which is really helpful if you're doing some production style sewing. So once you're ready, just click on Make It. And there you go. So you can also adjust this whole thing on the mat itself by just rotating it. Place them all wherever you want. And once you're happy, just click on Continue. Now the next step is to place your vinyl or cork on your board. So go ahead and do that. And when you're placing the vinyl or cork on your board, make sure you place it pretty side down. Once you're done, just click on Continue. Now from the drop-down menu, select Faux Leather if you're using vinyl or even if you're using cork. But if you're using cork, make sure that you increase the pressure. Make sure you increase the pressure to more. So once you're ready, just click the button on your machine and get everything cut out. If you do not have a Cricut, what you can do is open the PDF file in Adobe Reader and then just click on Print. Make sure that you select Custom Scale, which is 100%, or just select Actual Size. Select your printer and click on Print to get this thing printed. And then you can just cut out all the templates and trace them on a cardboard or a thick paper, and also cut out the rectangle and just use it in that way to cut out vinyl for the vinyl overlay. So to sew the zipper pocket to literally any bag, all you need is your front or back panel wherever you want your pocket to be. So this is my back panel. That's where I want my pocket to be. And the pocket piece. So this is my pocket piece. You can cut it to whatever size you want. So mine is around 10-inch by 14-inch, 10-inch wide and 14-inch long. And my zipper opening is gonna be around 5 inches long. So I have cut this out, and this is like around 5-inch. And I've used the same template to draw this rectangle around 1/4 inch away from the center line, from the center crease, as you can see over here. So I have drawn it over here, and I'm just gonna top stitch this whole thing. So I will be sewing the zipper panel and the main panel together. So I'm just gonna go ahead and top stitch on this line. Alright, now as you can see, there's a rectangle that I've sewn over here. Now I'm just going to draw a line in the center as a guide to cut out this center part, so I can just turn everything to the back side. And at the corners, I'm going to make a V. I'm going to use my rotary cutter to cut exactly on the line.
And I'm going to use my scissors to cut out the V. I'm going to remove the tape. And I'm using tape because this is cork fabric, and if I use pins, it's just going to leave holes. So instead of using pins, I use tape to hold this in place. I'm just going to take this entire fabric and push it through the hole to the back side. So this is what we have at the back. Now we need to press this so that the seams lay flat. And this is what we have at the front. I'm just going to take it to my ironing board and press this whole thing flat. So this is what it should look like after pressing. Now it's time to attach the zipper. I use zipper by the meter. I've cut out 6" from it, and I'm just going to place it so that the zipper teeth is just peeking out from here. And what I like to do is apply some glue on the zipper tape so that it stays in place when I take it to my machine. Now I'm just gonna top stitch this whole zipper over here, and I'm gonna use a wide stitch length. Alright, the zipper is attached. Now I just have to attach the overlay. So I'm just going to glue it first in place like this, and then I'm just going to top stitch along the outer edge as well as the inner edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. So this is what it's going to look like once done. And at the back we have this. We have 2 layers which need to be sewn together to make the pockets. So I'm just going to go ahead and match all the edges and sew all around. Alright, our zipper is ready with the vinyl or cork overlay, and this is what it looks like from the back. This is what it looks like from the back. This is the pocket. You can just put your stuff inside. All done. So this is how you make a pretty zipper with a vinyl overlay. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.